So, do you want to know something that where are we? GK store, yes. And see, there are so many things in the GK store. So you all want to come? Who wants to come? Raise your hand, raise your hand. Who wants to come here? Different kinds of biscuits here. Do you know where they all are? Where these things they have got? They have got from the farmer, from the factory. Yes. See. Okay, who wants to have this biscuit? Oreo biscuit. Oreo biscuit. Who wants to have this biscuit? Hello. Red color leaves. Where you can see red color leaves. Red color leaves. Wow. 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 Amazing. See, there are so many things in this store. Isn't it? Yes. And see what. देखो देखो देखो. What is there? Maggie, Maggie, Maggie. सबको प्यारी लगती है मैगी. What is there? Maggie. Yes, zoop zoop zoop. Maggie over here. See, things over there. See, there. This pulses. See, there is different kinds of pulses. Punjabi tadka, मूंगफली. See, मूंग दाल, अरहर दाल, chana dal, masoor dal. See, there are different kinds of pulses over here. Urad dal, yes. And see, what is there? Sugar packets also. Yes, see. Devansh, where are you? You have gone for shopping. See, there are so many art over here. Flowers, oh my god. See, there are different kinds of spices. Spices जो मम्मा खाने में डालती है. देखो तो छोटा छोटा दाना डालती है ना मम्मी. काला जीरा, सौंफ, अजवाइन, सॉल्ट. देखो ऊपर में भी है. Salt is there, chili powder is there, dhania powder is there. See, and see some more grains. Your clothes. What is this? What is this? जल्दी बता दो क्या है रुद्रांश? Ayan, come on, tell me. Detergent powder. Party things also, birthday party balloons, spray, party popper. Look here, look here. Oh wow! And see, birthday party things. See whose birthday is coming next. They can come here and they can buy what? They can buy. ये तो आप सभी को चाहिए. बताए क्या है ये? बताए क्या है ये? आब्राकडाब्रा, आब्राकडाब्रा, गिली 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 गिली. चुप. चॉकलेट्स. ग्रांट अच्छे से बैठिए. ग्रांट ग्रॉसर स्टोर ऐसे बैठते हैं. यस. चॉकलेट. You want to have Cadbury, Ayan? Okay, see, there are so many things over here. Cadbury's, yes. See, there was Cadbury's, big chocolate. Oh, chocolate sticks also. And this is your favorite. Kinder Joy. Other things inside the fridge. Ice cream. Who wants to have this ice cream? आइसक्रीम नहीं खाना है. ठंडा लगता है. ठीक है ठीक है. Vansha is also having the sanitizer spray. Yes, And see what is there. There are some wafers also. Wafer biscuit, orange flavor, chocolate flavor. And what are the things inside this? See? Butter, cheese, everything is here. And see, there are different kinds of juice also. There are different kinds of juice also. Yes. She's thinking, she's telling me, okay, Priyanka ma'am, please come here. I want to buy more things. And see, what is she going? किसको क्या क्या खरीदना है? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. Who wants to buy the things? Devansh, what do you want to buy? Yuvansha, Ayan, Granth.
I want Oreo biscuit.
You want Oreo biscuit? Oh, she. See, this is for you, Ayan. This Kinder Joy is for Ayan. You told me to buy Kinder Joy for you. So I have got this Kinder Joy. See. More chocolates are here. See, Meenakshi ma'am likes to have 5 stars. So she is taking 5 star. Now she is thinking what to buy more things. Oh, inside this there are lots and lots of chocolates. So she wants to buy this celebration box because it's a celebration time. Oh, Yuvansha is also offering the chocolate to you, Meenakshi ma'am. Take it. Oh, she's having the... Okay, now let's see what are she thinking to buy more. She's thinking to buy something more. Oh, she's taking the Savlon. See? She's
Sanitizer. This is a sanitizer. Okay.
Now let's see what more things she's buying from here. Thinking.
No more things I just want to buy. It's okay. I don't want to buy anything else.
She don't want to buy anything more. Now see, she is maintaining the social distancing, and what she is doing, she is at the bill counter. See, she is at the bill counter, and what she will do, she will take all these things and she will make the bill and she will give the money to the cash counter. So wait everyone. See, there is so much of line, so we need to wait. See, we are waiting over here. Yuvan. Oh, Yuvan, you are also making the bill. Thank you, Yuvan. Make the bill. Oh, see. Yuvan is making the bill. Very good. Ma'am, you can... Yes? 3 rupees. Ayan, should I pay you 3 rupees?
Yes.
Yes, okay, give it to me. I'll pay you 3 rupees. Make the bill for me. Make the bill. See, Meenakshi ma'am will pay you 3 rupees. Meenakshi ma'am, please give 3 rupees to Ayan. See, Ayan, take the rupees and give it to me. Bill bana ke do. Give me the bill. Yes, now I will go do the shopping with Rudransh. Rudransh, what are the things with you? Oh my God. So many things with you. Rudransh, what is the best thing at... Oh, there is Savlon spray. I want to take Savlon spray. Please give it to me. I want to buy Savlon spray. So at what amount you will... How much I need to pay? 50. Okay, I'll pay you 50 rupees. See, now the billing is made. Uncle is just checking the price and he is making the bill. See, this is how uncle is doing the packing. See, look here. To give the things to Meenakshi ma'am because she has done the shopping. And now she is paying. See, he is swiping the card and she is paying. Look here everyone, how she is paying. Oh, the shopping is done. Now she is saying thank you. She is putting inside the purse, taking the bill. And now she will take the packet. She has made the bill. See, this is the bill. And now she is saying thank you.
Thank you, sir.